President Donald Trump is publicly contradicting his own health agencies as he continues his push to get kids back into classrooms this fall. CBS 4's Natalie Brand is at the White House, where President Trump is also hosting the leader of Mexico, despite a travel ban on that country.
Mexico's President Andres Manuel López Obrador is meeting with President Trump at the White House as they tout the new U.S.-Mexico-Canada trade agreement. The visit comes as the president steps up his push to reopen schools this fall, despite surging coronavirus cases in states across the country.
We're safely reopening our country, and very importantly, we're safely reopening our schools. We want the schools to be open.
The president even tweeted this threat, saying may cut off funding if not open. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo emphasized it's a state and local decision when and where to reopen.
Well, I won't give New York funding. You don't give us any funding now.
The president also tweeted that he disagrees with his own CDC's suggestions for reopening schools, calling them very tough, expensive, and impractical.
It's guidance. It's not requirements.
The vice president said the CDC will issue new guidance next week to give more clarity on reopening schools because of the president's criticism.
What is not the intent of CDC's guidelines is to be used as a rationale to keep schools closed.
The presumptive Democratic presidential nominee, Joe Biden, continued to bash the Trump administration's response to the pandemic.
The guy who says, I'm commander-in-chief, and then doesn't command anything in this fight against the COVID-19.
The president this week has touted a lower death rate from the pandemic, but Dr. Anthony Fauci called that a, quote, false narrative, urging Americans not to become complacent. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.